Hello everyone, I'm Deeksha. Today I'm going to present my project on mini ATC lexical analyzer and parser. This project is based on compiler design. A compiler works in different phases. The first phase is lexical analysis, where the program breaks the source code into small parts like tokens. And here is the code identifier. This program checks whether a word is a valid identifier or not, and uh, here is the def is valid identifier. It is a function. It creates a function to check identifier, and then if uh, if len word if input is empty, it shows invalid, and then if not word, it means the first character must be a letter, and then we comes to if for character in word, it checks every character, like what we, and then if not, it only checks the letters and digits are allowed. uh, Return true. If all checks pass, then it shows valid identifier, and it is the code. Here is the output. If we enter ABC, it shows valid identifier. If we enter one ABC, it shows invalid identifier. It is a mini ATC lexical analyzer, and this program is a simple lexical analyzer for a small language called mini ATC. Uh, uh, it helps to defining keywords, operators, and delimiters. Keywords like begin, end, int, print, and operators, delimiters. It explains this set stores predefined symbols of the language. The keywords are begin, int, and then def is identifier token, means it creates a function to check whether a token is a valid identifier. And then here is the if token equals, means it checks if token is empty, and if not token, it checks first character, like token 0 means it is a first character, is alpha means it checks alphabet, and then identifier must start with a letter. For example, ABC means it is a valid. If it one ABC means it is invalid. And here is the for as token, it means loops through uh, every character. And then if not, it means it checks whether each character is alphabet or digit. Means if special character exists, it shows invalid, and then return true. If all checks pass, it will return true. And then def is number token return token. It means it checks whether token contains only digit. For example, if we enter 123, it shows true. If we enter 128, then it shows false. Def separate token means this function separates program text into tokens. And then token means tokens or stores all extracted tokens, and then current. It means it is a temporary token builder. Um, for CH in code, it means it reads program character by character. And then if uh, CH is space, it means it checks for spaces or new line, and it contains if current. It means if a token is completed, it will like it stores and it clears a temporary variable. Mm, elif character in operators or character in delimiters means it checks whether character is operator or delimiter. And then if current equals means it stores the previous token before operators. And then token append, it adds operator or delimiter as separate tokens. If current it means the tokens it stores last token if remaining. And then print, it displays headings. If a token in keywords means it checks whether token is reserved keyword. And if elif if it is identifier, then it will print the identifier. And if it is number, it will print number. Like if it is operators, then it will print operators. If it is delimiter, then it will print delimiter. uh, if it is invalid, it shows the token is invalid. mm, then print, enter mini etc program line by line. It displays instructions. Mm. If a line is equals to done means it stops input when user types done. Lines that append line means it stores entered. And then here is the output. If we enter begin index end done. Sorry, begin index. It is a valid identifier means it begins, it shows tokens are identified like begin keyword, in keyword, x is a identifier and I is a delimiter, end is a keyword. If we enter begin int int 1x end done, it shows invalid tokens. Tokens identified means 1x it is a invalid token. And next uh, mini atc lexical analysis plus parser. This program is a simple compiler front end for a small language called mini atc. Import RE, it is used for regular expression. Import sys, it is used to read complete input from keyword. Um, Here is the keywords like these are reserved words in mini etc language. Keywords like begin, end, int, print, and then tokens. Token specification. Uh, it defines the token types and patterns. Um, token Token specification or number ID, operators, delimiters keep a mismatch, and token regex. It combines all token patterns into one big regular expressions, and then lexer function, um, def lexer code. It means this function converts program into tokens, and then tokens empty means it stores generated tokens. For match in find iter, it scans code and finds the tokens one by one, and kind match last group value means kind means it shows token type, and value means it shows actual text, and then if kind number tokens means it tokens dot append, and then elif kind op operator means it stores operator, and then it stores a number, and the tokens dot append means it shows a delimiter. Tokens dot append means it skips the new lines, and then it identifies any invalid characters, and then return tokens it means returns complete token list, and then parser, it checks the grammar rules. Here is the def init means it initialize the tokens and current positions, and then self position it means starts from first token, and def current token means it returns the current token being checked, and def it uh, self expected means it checks whether expected token is present or not, and then if position, if self dot current, it means it moves to next token. Def pass program means it checks a complete program structure, and then it shows begin, start, and end. uh, Means program must start with begin, and if def pass statements means it checks all statements, and then self dot it means it program must end with end, and then if self position, um, def pass statement list, it means it allows statement like a declaration, assignment, print, and here is the def pass statement self, it determines statement types, and then self current token, it calls declaration parser, and then elif self dot current means it calls the print parser, and then def parse declaration means um, it it prints text like int id declaration parsing, and then def parse assign means These all are assignment parsing, and then these all are print parsing. If def parse expression means like a plus b minus c, it shows like this, and then def parse terms means it shows and then factor parsing, it handles identifier, number, bracket expression, and then def main, it means the main execution starts here. It shows program title, like it prints mini etc grammar checker. um, code code sys dot means it reads the complete program, and then tokens parser dot parser means it runs a lexical analysis and the syntax analysis. Valid program, like a print result program is valid if it displayed if no errors occurs. Invalid programs like except exception as it means it handles errors. uh, Here is the output. Begin int x, int x is equals to 10, print x, and control set. It shows invalid because sorry. It is valid because we entered correct input. Thank you.